Hello, welcome to this video. This is a Rubik's Cube. It's solved. This is my camera so that I can show what's on the screen. I'm going to cut out to this is a site where I usually time myself, and it gives us a scramble on the top. I'll follow this and we'll continue. Alright, let's see. R2, F2, R2, C2. This is for scrambling up the cube. Just checking the camera angle is fine. It's a bit high, maybe like that, I think. Okay. Alright, well, I get a few seconds to look at it. Alright, let's see. A few seconds to look at it. And then what I do is, sorry, I messed it up, but I press on spacebar. Ah, 33 seconds. No good, no good.